the Manoa Falls Trail, it's just about a mile long, and it's a really easy trail. It's very well marked. It's not too steep. It almost feels like it's paved, but it's not. At the back of it is the Manoa Falls, so you get a waterfall payoff after you've hiked in about a mile. It's a mile up and a mile back, and you walk along the stream the whole way. And as you see, Manoa itself, this whole area is very green. It's very wet. We're here on a slightly drizzly day, so we've got some water dripping down on us. We got little hats to protect ourselves and keep ourselves dry, because nobody in Hawaii has an umbrella. You usually just stand under an overhang until the rain stops and then you come out. So anyway, we're gonna hike this trail. We're gonna have a good time. It's an easy trail, so why not? We take you guys to all the nicest places. Oahu's like New York City on an island. Shut the fudge up. Okay, if you like what you've seen on this video and you want to learn more about hidden hiking trails, beaches, and restaurants in Hawaii, we're going to be putting out videos like this about twice a week through most of all of the summer actually, and most of the way into the fall. So if you really like it, and you really want to learn more, go ahead and subscribe. That way YouTube will let you know every time we put out a new video and you won't miss any of that. In addition, we're going to be coming back to Hawaii in 8 months to a year, and we're going to be doing more of these, maybe on Oahu, on Kauai, on Maui, and on the Big Island, and you'll get to see those as well. Please go ahead and subscribe. You won't miss any of that. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, because if you give it a thumbs up, YouTube says, hey, this is a worthwhile video. It shows it to other people. Other people know this information, and it's good for your karma.